Hello, everyone. I did my topic over the elements of how you look when giving a speech. Um, One thing that you really want to do is make a good first impression. You only get one chance to make a first impression. So, given a speech, obviously you would want to be dressed like the gentleman here in the suit and tie, rather than the guy in the polo and casual jeans. Um, the next would be body language. You don't want to be slouched over or just kind of have a negative body language presentation. Another thing too is how you use your hands when you're talking. So one thing that I've noticed over the years, and actually somebody with a track selling class taught me, is that palms up, kind of raising your palms emphasizes good things, positivity, and kind of talking with your palms down emphasizes negativity. So, the third thing would be eye contact, maintaining eye contact with somebody. If you don't maintain eye contact, it actually could lead people to think that maybe you're not interested, you're not trustworthy, maybe you're not confident. Facial expressions. One thing that I've done is actually, besides these videos you can go back and watch, but giving your speech in the mirror was a huge thing for me. Talking to myself, looking how I move around, interact, my posture, my gestures, my facial expressions, all of those can have an effect on the appearance of your speech. What your appearance conveys. According to Hybels and Weaver, it conveys self-esteem, self-respect, confidence, your organizational skills, attention to detail, creativity, and reliability. Being confident, showing that you have high self-esteem, self-respect, being well put together, having your presentation, organizational skills. Does everything flow? Does it all work together? Attention to detail. If you have stuff that's misspelled on your PowerPoint, it's probably going to show that maybe you don't have the highest attention to detail. Creativity, coming up with images or different things to put into your PowerPoint definitely can help. And reliability, obviously showing up and giving the speech at the time that you're supposed to give it. So those are the points that I wanted to bring up, and hopefully after watching this video you guys will be able to use some of these and help yourself become a better speaker. Thanks.